So as you guys can tell, I'm not really proud of it. We let it get to this state and ashamed about it as a person, even more so as a YouTube tech channel. The big issue that I had with it is that it's not just one isolated incident of odds and ends and dust that has grown and just materialized over the years. It's been various projects over the course of this room being turned into what it is when it became my room. And that is the status of my setup at the moment. Obviously, this is both productivity and work. I'm based from home on a daily basis, so my desk is essentially my sanctuary. And after the last couple of lands that I've taken my machine to, I've let it go. So I'm just going to give you what this looks like.
I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car. Hit the button, drive real far. Put that record on me like, oh, I'm dreaming of you. I dream of a new night. Fight in the dark till we see the sunlight. My love, it's you and I. Close, close and come down this fire. So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high. You can't wait to see me now, 'cause lately you've been feeling down. You lay awake alone at night. Oh, like your life inside a car. Forget the world and drive real far. Put that record on again. Oh, my love, it's you and I. Close, close and come down this fire. So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high. I'm dreaming of you. I dream of a new night. Fight in the dark till we see the sunlight. My love, it's you and I. Close, close and come out this fire. So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high. I can't wait to leave this town. Wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down.
for those of you that are new here, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button. It really helps my channel do what it needs to, and it tells me if you like the kind of content that we're bringing. If not, drop a couple of comments in the series below, and we'll go from there. I really do appreciate the time that you took out to come and check this out, and thanks again. So welcome to my setup for the month of May 2019.